Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to explain the units, the DS63 automatic and the manual. So today I will explain the both of the unit and what is the difference between what are the specification of this unit, what is the color of this unit, and what are the main features of this unit. Today I will explain about all about these two specially pickup units. So please, if you are new at this my video, please subscribe my channel and share. Let's go towards next. So this is the DS63 automatic 4x4. This is that is one is also DS63 manual 4x4. First we will talk about the DS63 automatic 4x4. So you can see this is the apple green color in the this is a very nice and saleable colors here. The stickers are put on the side. The stickers are put on the side, and the back side is you can fix the canopy, or there is a very you can keep the empty cargo. So this is a very nice and saleable unit. Let's go towards the inside of the unit. Wait. So this is the inside of the view. You can see my cameraman will show you the dashboard, and this is the air con system, and this is the steering, power steering. This is for function for the automatic, for the changing the gear, parking, reverse, neutral, drive, low to, and this is function for the four-wheel drive. And this is the handbrake. You can use the handbrake for this unit. Okay, and you can see the upholstery is very nice, and it's very good and nice upholstery. Start. These units are the 5-speed automatic or manual. That's because this gear changes automatically, and you can put here canopy. And this is the Japan surplus mugs. This come from Japan, R13 mugs Japan surplus. And if the customer want to change the mugs, we can change and we can buy the brand new in Japan surplus. And you can see this is the stickers 4x4. This is the stickers 4x4, and this is the reverse light, and this is parking light. This is the parking light, and also for the you can see all. This is the very nice stickers. And let's go inside from this side. This side you can see this is the driving side, and very nice view from this one. And the buyer will be the first owner in the Philippines. Slow mo. Next unit is DS63 manual 4x4. This is the transformer type, timing change, and the bumper is the modified. You can see my cameraman will show you the bumper is the modified, and the Japan surplus lights, and the tinted already. This is the glass tinted already, and we tint here from in the Philippines, and we will show you the inside view of this unit. You can see this is the power steering unit. This is the power steering unit, and this is the handbrake. And for the gear changing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-speed 4-wheel drive. This is 4-wheel drive unit. And let's talk about the air con. This is the air con unit, and this one you can press this button, and this is the speed 1, 2, 3 or 4. And this is the for the double indicator for the parking. And all the unit you can see the upholstery, especially upholstery. The leather seats is very nice. This is the original from we make here, assemble here, and you can see that we did our best upholstery here. And back door you can see this one. Sorry, this is the door opener. This is the manual door opener, and very nice this one also. So if you want to change here the button for the making automatic, we can do also automatic. That's not problem. And also this is the most important. This is the pickup manual and the power steering, because power steering units are coming very rare. Now you can see this is the canopy. This is made from the fiber. The people here are making with the fiber this canopy, and after the fiber I have the painters. They will do the painting of this unit. They will do the painting, and they will install here at the back side of this unit. And this is and I hope I have explained. I will not make video too much long, because these are the two units, DS63 manual 4x4 and DS63 automatic 4x4. And if you want to buy the units, and please contact with me. We are located in Lapu-Lapu City, Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation, and I hope you like this my video. And if you like this my video, please share with your friends, please subscribe my channel and motivate me. I am here for you, and please help me to motivate my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.